Hey guys, come with me in our road trip. First, I just have to feed my cats. Actually, nakakain na sila kanina and this is just more of a snack lang siguro. Hey baby!
Doon! Kakain mo, ayun o. Mas malaki na sa kanya yung kapatid.
Grabe yung init sa labas. Dito lang muna ako sa may aircon tatayo. Parang si Morty lang sa mga cat ko yung gustong kumain kasi dyan din nakakain na kanina. Ngayon, si Morty siya yung mas matakaw. So parang siya lang yung gustong kumain. Magpapalit na lang ako ng pangtaas mamaya. So guys, I'm just gonna wear this H&M na polo na relaxed fit or medyo comfy yung fit niya, linen, and it's gonna be a sunny day road trip. So I'm also wearing H&M na shorts. Comfy lang din yung fit niya and not too tight because since it's my day off and we're gonna go on a road trip, mas maganda sana na mas comfortable din yung suot natin. Also for accessories, dahil hindi naman ako ma-bracelet or ma-necklace, I'm just wearing my watch. Then for perfume of the day, I'm just gonna choose this Bulgari na Pour Homme. Basta ito yung favorite ko and nakailang bottles na ako nito. It's very light and it's very chill, so I always prefer this among other fragrances. Though meron din naman akong other fragrances like Dior na Sauvage or Sauvage ba yun, na preferred, but this one is my go-to. So spray lang tayo. For shoes nga pala, dahil medyo chill lang yung day na to, mag-Crocs lang ako. May Crocs Duo na I think this is 1 year na sa akin. Or mga 1 year old or baka older pa nga. Gusto ko siya kasi it gives additional mga 1 inch na height. And then, chill lang siya. Not those normal na Crocs, but it's nice. And it's comfy and perfect din siya kasi parang slipper siya, and then pag ilalagay ko to sa paa ko, itong strap, parang shoe na rin siya or sandals para hindi natatanggal-tanggal yung shoes. So here's the final chill day look. As for bag nga pala, dahil I'm gonna take you with me, so yung camera and my phone and wallet, so I'm gonna bring a bag and this is the bag that I'm gonna use. So Gucci lang siya na belt bag. I normally won't use this around my waist, na yung nakaganon or nakaganon, parang sagaba lang siya. So minsan ginagawa ko na siya clutch bag na nakaganon lang ako, or just hold it like this, or this, or this. So done with our OOTD, so let's go now. So guys, makikipark lang ako sa house ng friend ko because makikisakay tayo. Passenger prints muna tayo for today's video.
Tapos, saan ang daan? Pinagbigyan tayo, hindi masyado.
Upo muna kayo, ma'am.
Wala po.
Grabe guys, look at their CR. As in, watch your... pala.
Bilang pala tayo ng pasta. Kunwari mo rin.
Kaya nga chili. Wait lang.
In 150 meters, turn left onto 9.
Where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home? Back to the open arms of a love that's waiting.